Hey, San Antonio. I'm Manny Pelaez, City Councilman for District 8. We all know that the weather in South Texas can be unpredictable, and sometimes those megastorms cause serious damage to our homes. I want to make sure that we're all prepared for the storm before it comes, but that we also have a conversation about what happens after a storm. And I'm talking about scams. Here are the top 8 things to look out for so that you don't fall a victim to hail and windstorm scams. Number 1, not all contractors are legit. Before hiring one, request a copy of their permits and licenses. You can also verify their identity by using our City of San Antonio Contractor Connect tool. Number 2, one referral isn't enough. Get at least 3 bids from a licensed roofer before hiring one to work on your house. Number 3, never sign a contract with a door-to-door salesman. Legitimate roofers and contractors do not engage in door-to-door sales. Number 4, never sign a contract allowing your contractor to negotiate with your insurance company. Roofers are not insurance experts or adjusters. Number 5, telemarketing calls from roofers are scams every time. You might get a call, I know I've gotten them, telling you that a company is doing a free roof inspection in your neighborhood. Hang up immediately. It's a scam. 6, public adjusters can be very helpful, but be careful. They can be scam artists too. Make sure the adjuster is a member in good standing with the Texas Association of Public Insurance Adjusters, and get references from prior clients. 7, never sign an attorney contract presented to you by a roofer or a public adjuster. Legitimate attorneys do not allow contractors or third parties to sign up new clients for them. It's a serious crime called barratry. Lastly, and most importantly, never climb up onto your own roof without proper training. If you want to see the damage, ask your roofer or inspector to show you photos, but don't go up there yourself. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, San Antonio.